Hi, my name's Lee and I'm lucky enough to lead this fantastic group of people we call Smith & Sons. And what I love about the team at Smithies is they're not just in it for themselves, but they're looking to see every other franchise owner in this business succeed. It's a beautiful thing. They're not just looking to build a great business for the here and now, they're also looking well into the future. They want to build a sustainable business, a great family, and an awesome community in their local area. Smith & Sons began many years ago when we looked at the renovation space, and we realised that people looking to renovate weren't always treated as well as those wanting to build a new home, for instance. We were looking to apply the same professionalism to someone wanting to renovate as if they were building a new home. If you're a smaller builder and serious about growing your business, Smith & Sons have developed over the last 10 years systems, resources and tools to greatly improve your turnover and your profitability as well. One of the things that's very important to me is our culture. To me, culture is the beginning of every business, and it's so important to get that right. To me, our culture is about living life, it's about being passionate, and it's about being a team player. It's about building a great business, but not forgetting about your family or forgetting about your community. It's about tying all these things together, not just to build a great business, to build a holistic lifestyle. So it's not just about us, but it's about what we can give to others around us as well. It's the same as business as in life. If you don't know where you're going, it's very hard to get there. So as a business, we offer you a 5-year growth pathway to show you exactly what steps you need to take each year to grow a great business. And that's one of our key differentiators. We know where you need to go, and we've got the systems, resources and tools to take you there. Smith & Sons is growing very rapidly. Over the last 10 years we've grown to over 85 offices, and there's no sign of us slowing down. So if you would like to talk to us in security or a franchise area for yourself, please get in touch with us today. We'd love to talk to you.